So here I am on the 14 from Royal Bournemouth Hospital and Kids Library to Poole bus station, ETA to Poole bus station, 1:17 p.m. So this afternoon I'm on the 1102 HW08 AOR, which is in its brand new More Women Like Us livery. So, we've got a 32 in front of us. I do believe that's 1101 or 03. Next stop, Shah of Persia. I do believe that's AOP. So anyway, a little bit of context about 1102. It's one of the X of the Vector Scania OMNICities. This was brought to Morebus in 2008, same time as the N270UD batch of Scania OMNICities. And 1102 recently took part in the women recruitment event at Bournemouth University last year. So it's now on the road, and it can clearly be seen on like 14s, sometimes 16s or 17s. Right. Oh, yeah, it's 1101 on the 32 and 1124 on the 17. Just wait for 1124 to go out. (14) to Poole. Time now is 1:11 p.m. Next stop, Poole Hospital. Oh, on the M2 to Southbourne is 1775 HJ24 KCY. Get there at 1:15, I'll jump on the 14 at 1:35. So I've got 3 Scania OMNICities here on Longfleet Road. I've got 1101 on a 32. 1124 is just waiting to go in. Time now is 1:13 p.m. 14 to Poole. Go, 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 go. Move, 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 move. Oh, 1739 on the M1 to Royal Bournemouth Hospital. Next stop, Longfleet Road Garage. Oh, I do believe that's 1831 or 1832 on a 60. To Poole. Oh, 1:14. There's not too many people at stand HL. Might be the only one, but we'll see. So tune into my YouTube channel next, as I'll be taking the Purbeck Racer 40 to Swanage at 1:35 p.m. which next stop, the George. come on. Go, 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 go. Go into end stand, 1102 will probably go out as a 14. No, I think it's going to go to stand M because it will probably go out as a 16. This stop is the George. Ah, 115. Come on. 14 to Poole.